Congratulations on booking your space at our upcoming marketing webinar. You can expect to learn practical proven strategies to help you generate more high quality leads, use social media more effectively and implement marketing strategies that work. But more importantly, we're going to tackle one of the biggest frustrations in business: lumpy lead generation and unpredictable cash flow. I'll show you how to break free from that cycle so you can grow with confidence. You'll discover what's been holding you back from succeeding in marketing and see real-world examples of business owners just like you who have made shifts and seen massive results. This isn't just another webinar where you sit back and listen. It's an interactive session and I will be expecting you to participate by responding to questions via the chat box. I need to know that you are with me. In return, I'll coach you through powerful marketing insights that can change the game for your business. Perhaps you're wondering, what is business coaching? Well, in short, it's teaching you how to build a profitable and commercial enterprise that can work more without you. And if you're serious about taking your business to that next level, I will also be offering a free 1-hour coaching session to those who feel like it makes sense on the day. No selling and no obligations. And this is what we do, coaching business owners to get results, and this session could be your first step. Finally, how to prepare. To get the most out of this, I recommend you're attending in a distraction-free environment. This is a time investment that comes with a valuable ROI. Bring a notepad and some colors to make notes and diagrams so you can retain the key takeaways. And most importantly, come with an open mind, because a small shift in how you run your business could make all the difference. I'm looking forward to this session with you, so keep an eye on your inbox for the event link and I'll see you there.